Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to import products from Temu to Shopify. Temu has become a popular sourcing platform because it offers a huge range of products at very competitive prices. Many Shopify beginners use Temu to find trending products, test new ideas, and build healthy profit margins. Since Temu doesn't have an official Shopify product importer, you'll need to add products manually or use a compatible third-party tool if available. Now let's get started. First, open the Temu website or app. Now browse through the different product categories, then look for products with good reviews, high ratings, and strong customer demand. Next, choose a product you want to sell. Now review the product price, shipping cost, estimated delivery time, and customer reviews before selecting it. After that, save the product images and copy the product information you want to use. Then open your Shopify admin and sign into your account. Now go to Products, then click Add Product. Here, enter a product title and write your own product description instead of copying it word for word. Next, upload the product images, then enter your selling price. A common approach is to choose products that cost between $3 and $15 on Temu and sell them for around $20 to $50, depending on the product, competition, and shipping costs. After that, add your inventory, shipping details, and product category. Now click Save, then publish the product to your online store. When a customer places an order, return to Temu. Now purchase the product using your customer's shipping address. Then complete the order and wait for Temu to ship it. After that, copy the tracking number from Temu. Next, return to Shopify and update your customer's order with the tracking information. Remember to monitor product prices regularly because Temu prices and availability can change at any time. Also test product quality and shipping speed before spending money on advertising so you know your customers will receive a good experience. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.